Are you ever in doubt about what you are doing as a positive means to life, like writing or exercise or anything? Well, if you're ever in doubt, have you ever tried one of these positive methods, like exercise or writing fiction? Well, if you are in doubt, or if you have tried them, if you tried a second time, if you tried a third time, if you're having doubts about where you're going with a positive direction, don't give up hope, don't lose faith. Just keep pushing forward, keep trying, keep struggling. It'll all pay out in the end.